Hi guys, welcome to my live video. Sorry रुकावट के लिए खेद है and I had a phone call that came in between and that's why my video just went bust. So I'm gonna wait for people to jump in because there was a whole bunch of people who are wondering कहाँ चली गई है, इसका live video कैसे बंद हो गया बीच में. So we're gonna do numerology, we're gonna do name analysis. So you know the drill. If you've been on this before, okay, let's wait for some people to jump in. Let's wait for people to jump in. Sorry, I had a phone call that came in between, so it disrupted my video. Sorry guys. Sorry. That's crazy, no? Like when you do a live video on your phone, mosquitoes, Koramangala and mosquitoes are crazy. Okay, so you know the drill, all of you who are on this live video. And we have very few people because lots of people are going back to work. Lots of people have to wake up in the morning and not sleep like 4 o'clock. कितने लोग का मतलब स्लीप साइकिल इतना खराब हो गया है. Cool. So I'm gonna wait for the next person who's a top fan and a sharer. Like I said, if you haven't liked the page, you don't get to be a top fan. All right. So make sure you go and like the page. If you want that element reading done, become a top fan and a sharer, and that way you get your element reading. All right. If you're a top fan and a sharer, for sure you'll get your reading done. Okay. So quickly share this on all your groups, guys. If you become a sharer, I'm likely to take your question. I don't promise to take it. Okay, Pavitra Kempanna says I've done it. You can't share on Instagram. You can send it to individual profiles. So I doubt that you can do that. Okay, I have a question here from okay, why name is important, how it works. Okay, so basically we're ruled by planets in our date of birth, and that runs the way our life goes forward. All right guys, like your date of birth determines what you attract and what you repel, also your personality. Like if you're a number 4, you're one of those really I don't know, emotional fools. I'm a number 4, so please number 4 people don't get offended. मैं भी number 4 हूँ. And Leo Love says, was a sharer in your last video, shared in 17 groups but cannot do it again. Leo, you're already a sharer, so chill, okay? Most people who have shared are already a sharer. So share this on all your groups, guys. If you're not a sharer, then I'm likely to take your question. So like I said, how does numerology or name correction work? Your name sort of supersedes your date of birth. So if you're ruled by a bad date of birth, if you're a number 4 or a 7 or an 8, like the previous person, Yogita Sharma, was a number 4 and 7. So that's being ruled by Ketu and Rahu. So your name is very significant, And so is your phone number, so is your bank account number, so is your car number. Numbers play a very important role in your life. Be it your date of birth, be it your name, be it your bank account, be it your phone number, your house number. All of this is very relevant because every number connects you to a certain planet. Now, if you're connected to a good guy, you'll attract yummy stuff in life. If you're connected to a bad guy, you'll have a ton of negative things happening. All right. So it's very important to have good numbers. It's very important to have a positive vibrational planet, in your name. And a lot of people even put effort into naming their houses, their businesses, their brands. Every business also carries a name, and that vibration is what you attract or repel. Okay. Shalini M says, I'm shared in the past video, yet I am not getting a sharer tag. You're already a sharer, darling. Don't worry about sharer tag. Okay. First time I saw your live video last time and talked to Ria. Loved the tarot reading. My date of birth is 2/10/1985. Simi Hans. Simi, yes, she is awesome. And like I said in my previous video, my tarot card readers are phenomenal. I cherry pick the people whom I train to become consultants in my center. I do cherry pick them. It might make the others feel really bad, but I only keep the best. Like the malai upar se. So Ekta, Janki and Ria are the cream of my batch. Of actually different batches. They all didn't study together. Okay, so guys, quickly share this on all your groups. If you're a sharer, I'm likely to take your question. Let's take our first question for this video. Since it got disrupted and since I had a phone call in between. What does it mean to get rejected by all? What is the spiritual lesson to be learned? Okay, let's see. I really like this question. Do you get how to ask questions? I get drawn to a meaningful question. Rekha Rangarajan, I really like your question, Rekha. I'm gonna answer that because I'm also a life coach and I love doing this. For people who want to create their life and are not just tarot and numerology junkies, please listen to my podcast. It's a game changer. Okay, you are a number 4. So rejection and somebody just is crazy, right? Is this paused or is this proper? I don't know. I'm trying to see. Okay, now it's fine. Okay guys, do not try to video call me on Instagram. You'll get blocked. I will block you for sure. Okay, someone's trying to do a Instagram video call. You'll get blocked for sure because I do this from my phone. I have 2 phones. Dinakar Vania, please stop video calling me, okay? You're going to get horribly blocked. Stop doing that. You get my attention for sure, but you will get blocked. Okay, going back to Rekha Rangarajan. Rekha, you are a number 4. All number 4 people go through this craziness. I'm a number 4. Alright, I want to look at your name as well, Rekha. I just feel like analyzing your name. Why would someone video call me on Instagram? I wonder. Because they know I'm live and they know that I probably have to answer it. That is so bakwas. Rekha Rangarajan, Rangarajan. You're a number 5 in this. You don't need a correction, Rekha. So numerology is not your problem here. I don't suggest a name correction for you at all. So, okay, but you have a double H in your name. Hold on. I didn't notice that. Okay, your corrected name is better than your previous name. So if you got your name corrected, then it's like gone from a Maruti 800. No offense to Maruti 800, but like a normal 800cc engine to like a yummy vibration. It's gone to a very, very strong engine. So the person, whoever's done your correction, has made your name super strong. You were not an ICU case, but I wouldn't, like on a live video, I would tell you not to do a correction because it's not like absolutely necessary. But whoever did your corrections done a good job. All right, they have done well. Like I can't find fault with your name. But after this name correction, you've also become extremely, they've done a good job in one way, but in another way, you've also become extremely moody. You've become very cranky, or things have started fluctuating personally for you. So frankly, I wouldn't stick to the new name correction. I would tell you to maybe go back to the old correction, or I would do something else. Frankly, I would have done something else. Yeah, I would have done something else. Okay, I'm getting a lot of people here who are sending me messages. I'm getting a lot of messages here. People are not sharers. Guys, I'm ignoring your message if you're not a sharer. Okay, so that was for Rekha, but I don't like you know what, there's one vibration in your name that's really awesome and that makes your name stronger in one way. Gives it a different engine, but personally it makes you suffer a lot. It's almost like you become extremely sensitive and there is a lot of upar niche happening in your life. So I wouldn't do that particular correction, and I can for sure tell you that that's not my work. All right, okay. What is that? Okay, I have to say this countdown begins. 30 days to go and the earth will be blessed with a priestess. Not sure I understand that. I'm guessing you're talking about my birthday, Samir. It's 4th June and I had a lot of 4th June people here. Okay, so what did I say we're going to talk about? What was the heading about? Like I decide what I'm going to talk about and then I forget. अनुराधा, अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलने लगी सब लोग भाग जाएंगे. जितने लोग हैं ना इस लाइव स्ट्रीम पे उतने लोग भाग जाएंगे. क्योंकि मैं सर्वश्रेष्ठ हिंदी में बात नहीं करती. So the next person, I'm taking is, let's see who this is. Janki is too good, Amruta Modak says. I got a reading done from her, trying since 2 weeks for your reading. Please pick me. Okay, I'm not doing tarot today, darling, but I'm definitely going to do your name analysis. I love yummy questions and I love feedback. Like, now do you get how I get attracted to the question? Kuch acha bolo. Okay, Amruta, you're 8/12/1981. You're an 8 and 3 combination. You're ruled by Jupiter and Saturn. So Saturn is really kicking your ass achhi tarah se, and Jupiter's not helping with that because Jupiter doesn't help people with these issues, hai na? So you are basically at rock bottom because of this. Maybe not at rock bottom, but theek hai, you're managing. A lot of things that you also build keep kind of coming down. Now what do you use? Amrita Modak or Amrita Modak Nayak? I think I have no choice but to like just answer everything. Today, okay, so for people who know about the temple, we got a new idol made of Papa Elegua. So we took the new idol of Papa Elegua to the temple today, and today we had the first candle service at the Temple of Miracles, just in case you guys don't know what I'm talking about. Nayak. Yeah, your name's extremely karmic in nature, and it makes you go through too many life lessons, and a lot of your work gets disrupted, a lot of backbiting, a lot of blame, a lot of enemies, a lot of nazar. You're a nazar magnet like that. You can fall sick just like that. Your name and your date of birth are just spelling trouble. I would call you an ICU case, Amrita. Okay, so a name correction, very, very important. Okay? Like the previous person, Rekha, at first, my opinion, you see why we need a little longer than just a live video to do correction work. It's not something one can frivolously do. At first, when I analyzed Rekha's name, the previous person, I said, your name is fine, you don't need a correction. Then I looked at her spelling correction with a double H. Then I said, oh, this is even better. But then I realized that personally, she's having some problem. So a lot of times, like, let's say, a numerologist may focus on one aspect of your name and make it really, really wow, but the other aspect personally can suffer. That's very important. So, especially with tarot, like you can still, if you don't get such a great reading, or you do a reading, like let's say in some place, whatever, you can still ignore the reading. But with numerology, you have to like use that name. So I always tell people, please be very, very sure before getting a name correction, and never do stuff yourself. Never. Rekha, I forgot the question you asked. You asked a very nice question, but I can't remember it. You said, why do something kuch to bola? I can't remember. Can you please repeat your question? I'm trying to look for Rekha's question. Yes, Pallavi, I will do a tarot live very, very soon. I've just been getting too many requests for this, so that's why I've been doing this. I'm trying to change my profession from teaching to music. Yeah, but you won't make money with music. Okay? You won't make money with music. Rekha Rangarajan. She did a candle service today. You did ask a question, but I somehow can't remember it. And now I have to go through all these messages. But last video mein kitne comments aaye? 13,000 comments. That's insane, right? It's almost impossible to go through all of that. Okay. Amruta says, changing profession from teaching to music, will it work? Darling, you won't make money with music. I don't see money with music. So, but I do need to tell you, please get your name correction done. You're an ICU case. Whatever you try to build on a vibration like that will only work for some time, and then it will come crashing down. Okay? Okay, so Rekha asked me a very interesting question. Rekha, I'm still waiting for your question. Please go ahead and resend it. I called your office and your consultants were best. Will I get a government job this year or in future? I'm not doing tarot. Please call the office for a reading. If you didn't get your question answered, or maybe something new came up, then get another reading from another one of them. Simi Hans, you're not a sharer, darling. There are so many people who put so much effort in sharing, so I can't really answer your question. Sorry. Okay, the next person that I'm taking is what is the spiritual lesson you take from rejection? Thank you so much, Anurag. Thank God you sent me the question. I don't know if Rekha is still on. Okay, now rejection is not really a part of your reality. Okay, when someone rejects you, please understand that's what they are functioning from. I'm going to do a podcast on rejection. All right, and it's really important for me to do it on rejection because a lot of people face rejection in a job, rejection in a relationship. You may have rejection, you may have self-rejection. Rejection is basically unkindness to others or yourself. And if someone's functioning from rejection, please understand they're functioning from a lot of superiority. All right, it has nothing to do with you. And sometimes it's really willing to sort of not let that affect you. Like, I might get rejected in some scenarios. Does that say anything about me as a person? Like, I may kind of approach someone for something and I may get rejected. It doesn't mean everyone's going to get accepted in every zone or in every area of life. It has nothing to do with you. Imagine if you let that affect your confidence. So your life lesson is really to be bigger than that, and to sort of let people who reject you sort of just know that that's where they function from, and that they deserve something else and you deserve better. And I always feel that, like, I get a lot of people who are, divorced. I get a lot of people who are single moms. I get people who have gone through something, some kind of a thing in life. And, they get rejected in relationships and they come and tell me, like, I really feel down and out. And I tell them, that's a really, really, it's so important for, you to meet such people, because your situation is also a filter to filter out assholes. You need to have certain filters. All right, so if you're divorced with a child, and if someone is trying to do something and hurt you or reject you or judge you or whatever, or someone is rejecting you for whatever reason, that's really has nothing to do with you. That's their life lesson, and for you just kind of look the other way and know that there's someone much better. And also know that these are filters. These are like, this is to really filter out the kachra in life. So there's no life lesson here, just for you to know that there are filters and you're safe and you got filter. You filtered out some shit. So good for you if somebody rejected you. Pratik said you need a better graphic designer working for you. Thank you, darling. Thank you for your comments. I'm a sharer and a follower. Love how you explain. I want to know, is my really name help? My date of birth is, how to become a top fan on Facebook. You need to first like the page. If you haven't liked the page, I doubt Facebook will make you a top fan. To be a fan, you should have liked the page first. Hai na? There's some really nice comments here, but I'm dyslexic. If I start explaining that, then I would have lost out on this. But I am going to do a podcast on, that's such a yummy topic. Thank you so much. But I hope I remember. I'm going to ask someone on the live video to remind me, what do I do that thing on? Okay, you're a 1 and a 9 combination, just like my younger son Zubin. Alright, this is for Reena Pawale Talekar. I'm going to evaluate your name. Your name is horribly malefic. The second planet also malefic. Third planet, E-K-A-R, also malefic. It just feels like you are somewhere and your life is going in one direction, but it feels like So you're moving in this direction, but life is taking you in a different direction, or something like that, something twisted. It seems like some ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है life में. Your goals are something, but something else is playing तांडव in your life. Reena, you definitely need a correction. Okay, I'm gonna go and read some comments. Okay, I wait for your live sessions every day. It's very interesting. Started believing in name correction, although still not got it done, but very keen to know. Yes, names make a very important impact in your life. In fact, company names, brand names, if you go and analyze a lot of the company names, so many companies and so many brands have perfect numerology names. I observed keen knowledge and some spiritual power. Thanks a lot for helping people. Thank you, Ajit. Such a contribution, yeah, to have people like this, so positive. It's just about sharing positivity, right? Anchal says, I like the level of confidence you have. I can't wait for this lockdown to get over. I have to meet you, Sheila, before I miss my chance too. Okay, Janki suggests to listen to your podcast on Stitcher. I heard all this, so good, really changed my mindset. Yes, people, it's free, muft. But just because it's free, don't not value it. It's gold. Listen to my podcast, and if it changed your life, even itnu sa, please leave a review on it, so more people, and share it on your social media so more people listen to it. Cool. We're also going to talk about, a lot of people ask me, how does it help if your spouse got a name correction? Now see, the thing is, when you get a name correction for yourself, you are ruled by certain planets, then your name is ruled by certain planets. Okay, those planets help you. But a lot of time, according to your astrology chart, when you get your Janam Patri read, right, your spouse or your kid is a very important person in your life. Your spouse or your child or your parents or your in-laws, somebody living in your house. Sometimes it will say grandfather ka ye hai, father ka luck bahut, yog bahut acha hai, mother ka energy bahut strong hai yahan pe, ya ye bacche ka energy bahut strong hai. So a lot of times there'll be a certain person in your life whose energy is exalted in your astrology chart. All right. When you get that person's name correction done, or when you do an activation for that person in the house, when that person's energy gets exalted, you also get the benefit of it. I hope you guys understood this. For example, for a woman, all right, if you're married, if your husband's position in your chart is super lucky, it means that when you got married, all right, you already got a lot of good yoga and yummy energy because of your husband. For some husbands, their wife brings them a lot of luck. For some parents, their child brings them a lot of luck. So once the child was born, their life changed, and then they got blah, 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 blah. So what happens when you want to activate your own luck? You also can figure out from an astrologer whose position in your chart is exalted. Is my mother, my father, my kid, my wife, my husband, kiska energy. Sometimes the siblings' energy is very strong in your chart. So you can do a name correction for that person. Do activations for that person. Make them wear some stuff. Make their energy zabardast. And you'll notice it'll activate stuff in your life. This is such a jugaad method to activate your own luck. Get name correction done for the people who are very relevant in your life. People that you're blood related to, sort of. Okay? And that's why a lot of people come back to me and tell me, मैंने अपने बच्चे का name correction किया, but मुझे promotion मिल गया. Sometimes people will say, मैंने अपनी बीवी का name correction करवाया, but I got a promotion or I made more money. That's only because in your astrology chart, perhaps that person was very strong. All right? So it doesn't hurt to get people in your house, especially like your parents, your children, your sibling, your husband, your wife. These people are very, very important. Even if you don't have a great relationship with them. If they're not receptive to numerology, do other stuff for them. Once you remove the negative from their life, you sort of get benefit. All right? So that's how your family affects you, positively or negatively. And a lot of times if they are affected negatively, and if you have a strong connection with them, a strong relationship also, you will also get affected negatively. Okay, Ashka Patel says, how do we know who is lucky to us? You'll have to actually get an astrology reading done for that. Okay, the next person is, whom am I taking now? Okay, Anisha says that I'm trying eyes on me since 1 year. I'm trying your eyes on me. Your cinnamon tips, okay, I don't understand that. Your cinnamon tips for I did, it really helps. Yes, cinnamon is a magical herb. Okay, this is according to herb magic or root magic. It is a magical herb that, and some people will then correct me and say herb nahi hai, बेवकूफ, spice है. ठीक है यार, आप लोगों के लिए spice है. For a person who studies magic or practices magic, हमारे लिए herb ही है. हमारे लिए सब herbs ही है. हमारे लिए spice और ये वो नहीं होता, क्योंकि in magic it is not used as a spice. In cooking it is used as a spice. I can't believe last time someone actually said that to me. So cinnamon is one of the herbs or spices in cooking which is actually a magical thing for wealth and money. So like Anisha is saying, she tried it out. You can tie 3 cinnamon sticks in the entrance of your house, outside and inside. Take cinnamon ka powder, make one lape out of it, put it on the door, put it in a window. If you have a window in the north, make sure you make one nice lape of the cinnamon and put it on the north. Even if it looks ganda, even if it falls off, chalega. Okay, or you can even like mix it in a little bit of oil. It gets a little sticky, but you can put it on the north wall because money and Kubera energy comes from the north. So if you activate the north with this, you're pulling the money from there. So if you have a window or a door, make sure you do this. Put cinnamon, चिपका के रखो सब जगह में, पैसा आएगा जरूर. And बहुत लोगों ने try किया and lot of people send me messages saying this really worked, this really worked. Also get cinnamon and put it in your wallet. It does work. All right. Okay, I have an interesting question here from Vinay, who's not a sharer, but I like this question and it really benefits everyone. So I'm going to address it. What is a generational curse and how to get rid of this? A generational curse is something that someone cursed someone in your, like your ancestors. And a lot of times a curse given to one of your ancestors, it kind of gets passed from generation to generation. Sometimes it's insult to a certain deity or a god. Sometimes it is an insult because you did something to offend someone, unknowingly or knowingly. And a generational curse passes on from generation to generation. It really can be very binding and debilitating. It can be extremely, negative. It can let you down because all of your efforts that you're putting in are not going to show results because of this generational curse. So a generational curse has to be broken. If it's a simple curse, please do bay leaf ritual. It breaks all curses. Do it yourself. Do the bay leaf ritual yourself. Call my office, sheila.com 9900120034 and do the bay leaf ritual yourself. Okay, the bay leaf ritual comes with this one big kit and then there are a whole bunch of other herbs you need to add in it. Now it helps for other things also. Nazar, clearing your house, jinxes, hexes, curses, bindings, all of that. But generational curses, you should do this. Alright? Very, very good remedy is bay leaf ritual. The second thing that you can do is if it's really, really intense, then not really intense, if it's medium intensity, you can get something called extraction done from one of our healers in the center. If it's super intense, then you need to get a major ritual done, which only I can do. Alright? But generational curses are very, very debilitating. A lot of people get stuck, get caught up because of generational curses. Sometimes even curses from gurus and some pandit and some god man. Sometimes when they curse, it's really nasty. So you need to be really careful of that. So I really love the intensity of questions that I'm getting today. Very meaningful questions. Even though I don't have that many people on my live video, I'm really loving the questions. Okay, so is name correction always necessary? Any option? See, if your name is malefic, you definitely need a name correction. Else, why would you get a name correction done? Shira Punacha. I have been going through never-ending PR. PR is public relations. I don't know if you mean some other PR. Pressure maybe? So, what is PR? Never-ending? I've been going to never-ending PR. I don't know what that means. My cat is making a sound. Can you please get her? So, So yeah, name correction if your name is Malefic. Nikki, don't come here. Shian, take her from here. What is with her? Did you guys hear her? Like one crazy thing. पागल हो गई है वो. Okay. Next person. How someone who is far away can burn thing. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the link for the fifth dimensional healing that I do, the 5D healing, because I can't have so many groups. So there's a 5D healing group. I do healing like every alternate day or sometimes 2-3 दिन छोड़ के. And you know, I'm gonna post the link of the 5D healing group, and you know, there we also post requests for people who can participate in the daily candle service and the Monday night candle service. ठीक है विभूति, so that you can participate. Okay, Neha, I don't know how to pronounce your last name. Vasan. Okay, so I'm gonna check, but Neha is generally a very, very tough name. I'm gonna do your question now, Neha. Neha is a very, very complicated name, very difficult to correct. Really a challenge to correct. So you're 8/10/1985. See, goes without saying, right? You're number 8, you need a name correction. Like this. Even if you have an okay name, it needs to be made better because you have a negative date of birth. So you always need a stronger name to combat that. And Neha's name is very, very malefic. So you need a correction. So whether I can't even tell you whether you need to go with Neha Vasan or Vasan or whatever your name is, or Neha Vasan Manchanda. Okay, anyway, let me check. But Neha as a name itself, yeah, it is very malefic. You need a correction both ways, darling. There's no way to avoid that. And you're like an ICU case. तीनों तरफ से कोई काट खा रहा है. Okay, I had a very interesting question sometime back about plants. Someone asked me because I did that video. In the video, I spoke a little bit about mirrors. So someone asked me about plants, and I said, okay, let me address this question of plants, because lots of people keep indoor plants and people don't know what, everyone thinks plants are always good. No. So we all have earth, fire, water, wood, metal in our house. These sectors are ruled by these elements. Now if you keep let's say in the fire sector you keep water, क्या हो जाएगा? जहाँ पे आग होना चाहिए वहाँ पे आप पानी डालो, क्या हो जाएगा? आग खत्म हो जाएगा. So you can't keep plants in a place where it will get where you're depleting the energy of that particular place. For example, if you keep plants in your southwest, you can cause havoc in your relationships. You can cause havoc with your money. Havoc is not the word. Okay, so if you keep or the destiny. Okay, I'm gonna answer that question. If you keep plants in your west sector, again it's gonna cause horrible thing with your children, with your profits, with your money and all of that. So a lot of times people keep plants in the wrong place and it starts causing problem. Never keep plants in your bedroom. Never ever keep plants in your bedroom. It's a no. No waterfall in your bedroom, no plants in your bedroom, no dragon in your bedroom. These are like absolute no's. Plants can really cause a lot of problems if you keep them in your bedroom. Alright, so then people ask me which is the best place to keep plants. There are only 2 sectors I approve for keeping plants. Now, and if you want the plants to do something awesome and yummy to your life, keep plants in your east, keep plants in your southeast. Never anywhere else. Okay? Did you guys get this loud and clear? You can't keep plants anywhere else. East and southeast. Only 2 sectors where you can keep plants. Alright? So no plants in your southwest cause havoc in your relationship. No plants in your west, no plants in your northwest, no plants in your north. All of these can cause havoc. Okay? And if you keep plants in your north, it will cause problems with opportunities in your life. Really, it will. I will still say okay for keeping plants in your south. Like I'm still okay with that because it will be contributive to your fame and recognition. But you can't keep too many plants. Like 1 plant is good. Alright? Okay. The next question that I'm taking is, how do you know your name needs a correction? You need to get a name analysis done, Radha. So you can call my office 9900120034 and you can opt for a name analysis. However, if you're a top fan and a sharer, then you end up getting it free on this live video. And yes, for the same thing we charge in our center. Guys, please don't call my office and expect a free consult because VJ goes crazy. My assistant, her name's VJ. She's awesome. She's one of the most amazing people in my life. So she has such a hard time answering people's question. Can plants be in front of the main door? It is in west. No, darling, it can't, because west is no. You'll start seeing lots of losses in your life. And Kshira Punacha. Do I need a name correction? You're not a sharer, so you're gonna have to share this on 10 or more groups. Become a sharer, and then I consider taking your question, Shira. What if I have lucky bamboo in my bedroom? No, you're not allowed to keep lucky bamboo in your bedroom. You can keep it in the east and southeast. I have such yummy questions coming in. I love it. I love it. Oh, I think Instagram got paused at some point. So horrible. Why would they do that? Suddenly it just gets paused. Okay, the next question. Okay, Jocelyn says, do we need to change our name officially or legally if the name change is done? No, you need to activate your name. So whatever changes you get done, you need to activate it on social media. You need to activate it in different places, but you do not need to make it officially. Because what you use on social media and how you activate your name elsewhere matters more than social media. Okay, I have so many people asking me, why am I not becoming a top fan? Guys, if you have not liked this page, you're not going to be a top fan. People ask me, how can I consult you? Please call the office 9900120034 or sheila.com. Okay. Deepika says, please tell me something about me as it's my first time. Deepika, you're not a sharer, darling. Become a sharer. Share this on 10 or more groups, then I'm likely to take your question. Okay. Shalini says, my husband is stuck in Kerala and he's trying every possible way to win some money from lottery, but he's missing it out by one number and this is happening daily basis. Please provide a remedy which he can do in the situation, as BMR soap or anything else can't be shipped to him. Okay, I am dead against gambling. I do not advise people to play the lottery or gamble. And if you're doing lottery, please do it for fun. Do not do it like serious stuff. Okay? And if you're gambling, stop gambling. Also because number 4 is like, I'm a number 4. I'm not lucky with gambling. Number 4 people are not lucky with gambling. Number 7 people are not lucky with gambling. Number 8 people are not lucky with gambling. Even after you get a name correction done, you're not going to be lucky in gambling. Alright, or legal cases and all that jazz. So please stop gambling, guys. And I really have to tell you guys the truth, right? But if you plan to win the lottery, then I don't know. You said keep Tulsi in north for Jupiter. No, Subrina, I had said northeast. And that's the only plant you can keep in the northeast. Okay. Only plant. Jupiter ke liye you keep Tulsi in the northeast. It activates with Jupiter, which is really awesome for people who need activation in Jupiter. Not for everyone. My balcony has full of plants and it's northwest direction. Any advice? Take it out. Don't keep plants in the northwest. It's going to cause a lot of havoc in your life. Money plant on south window in bedroom. No bedroom, darling. Like I told you guys all the do's and don'ts already. Fir se mat pucho. I have money plant in my southeast corner. Is it okay? Yes, it's awesome. I always advise money plant for southeast. It is awesome. Reena says, long time your Insta stopped. मैंने देखा ही नहीं, पता है. So my bedroom is the only room for me, so how can I manage lucky bamboo in my bedroom? Leena, I don't have an answer for you. I don't have an answer for you. Okay. Vaikari says, tell us about sleeping position, head and legs. I'm going to address that in the next video. Okay, sleeping position I'm going to talk about in the next video, but I'm going to give you one tip today. Your head, actually I'll just do it in this video, it's fine. So your sleeping position is very, very important. Okay, it can determine how well you sleep, it can determine how calm you are, it can determine a lot of things. So basically, I wish I had some way to whiteboard it and show it to you guys, but your head, now your head should be in east and your head should be in south. Okay, so which means, like if you look at yourself from an aerial view, okay, let's say you draw out your house plan and you draw out your bed, your head should be in south, your legs in the north. Your head should be in east, your legs in the west. That's the best sleeping position. So the number one sleeping position is head in east and legs in west. That's the best. Never ever put your head towards the north, because if your head is in the north and your legs in the south, you know, they keep people who die, right? They put them like that. So it causes a lot of mental anguish. It just deteriorates your health. Never keep your head in the north. And if you keep your head towards the west, again, a whole plethora of problems. Why would you want to do that? Change it. Like even I have my bed, like I put my head in the south. You know, just sometimes, like at one point I changed my bed direction, so my basically my headboard didn't have a backrest, but I still kept my head in the east. It was so awesome. क्या नींद आती थी उस time पे, मस्त नींद. And generally I have very hyper energy, so I have sleep troubles. Okay. Yes, the direction of plants, Ritu, is applicable to home and office. Tasneem says which number is lucky for gambling. अब भी तो बोला gambling मत करो. अब भी बोला gambling मत करो. Sheila says no gambling. See guys, when you gamble, you know, you attract a lot of weird energies and entities to you. You don't want to get into that. You know, when you, like, this is a whole different topic and I can't discuss it on Facebook. Okay, I have too many plant questions. I'm not answering any plant question. I thought I was pretty clear. Kavita says you're super energetic. Love to listen to you. Wait for your life. Yes, I have too much energy. बहुत ज़्यादा energy है. Dun, dun, dun. I'm waiting for one top fan and sharer, and I haven't even found a single one here. Neha Chadda, your talks are so addictive. I'm sleepy but still waiting if you can answer my question. Darling, you aren't a sharer. You know, मुझे जूते पड़ेंगे from the sharers if I take your question. Okay. Anisha Malhotra, how does money grow? I have shared in 100 groups. You are very kind. Manisha, if you're a sharer and your question attracts me like that, then I will take your question. You are 11/3/1983. Okay, you are a number 2 and 8. So your 2 makes your 8 worse, your 8 makes your 2 worse. Okay, so basically Shani is like really having a ball with you. You need to get a name correction done without me analyzing your name. Some date of births are just like that. If you're a combination of 4 and 8, 2 and 8, 4 and 8, I already said that, 4 and 2, you need a name correction straight off. Anisha, are you having some relationship issues, Anisha? Are you having kitch with people? Are you being misunderstood? You know, it's like you have all 4 crazy planets having like one dance on having a party, like one disco on your head, one circus on your head. Anisha, you're like an ICU case. You need a name correction ASAP. Okay, how does money grow? I would need to do a class to teach you how money grows. But money is something, like I coach people about money. But the first thing that you can do to attract money is not have poverty consciousness. If you have poverty, what is poverty consciousness? Poverty consciousness is when you have negative thoughts, feelings, emotions, beliefs about money. If you believe money is evil, if you believe money is bad, money spoils relationships, money makes people arrogant, ghamandi, blah blah blah, you're already telling money you're not okay. If you feel that there is a person who's really, really good, awesome, wow, because he doesn't charge money, that's a weird, twisted way of saying that, you know what, like, he becomes purer and better because he doesn't charge money. So if you have that consciousness, you can never attract money in your life. Okay, it's like you're giving money the message that you're not clean, you're gonna tarnish my purity or my goodness. So you push money away subconsciously, and money doesn't come to you. So on one hand we do puja of money, on the other hand we feel money is evil or it spoils relationships. So money is getting this mixed message from most people, which is why I do a class where I remove the poverty consciousness from your energy. All right. There are also sessions in our center that you can get done called rewiring your brain, and you can ask for specifically your poverty consciousness to be removed. Ajit Arora, bye ma'am. Contacted and requested many times but never got an answer. You're not a sharer, so I can't really answer your question. How can we differentiate between the intensity of curses? Any way to get that reading done too? Yes, Pallavi, you can ask specifically about the curses that you're having in life. How bad is it? Or just do bay leaf ritual. If your lemon bursts, when you say curses, do a bay leaf ritual and only focus on burning of curses. And if your lemon bursts, then you know for sure that you have a ton of it, and then you probably need to do advanced bay leaf ritual or do intensive bay leaf ritual once or twice a month. Okay, I'm really tired. After your advice, I placed money plant in purple pot in the southeast, yet I don't see any improvement in the financial condition. It's been over 6 to 8 months when you had shared it on your live video. Thank you, Shalini, for sharing that. To begin with, first we need to check what is in the southeast. All the people whose money reality has not changed. Remember, if you've done a remedy and it didn't work for you, it's worked for tons of people, all right? But it didn't work for you, then we need to check what is in your southeast. Is there a drain? Is there some kind of a washing machine? वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा आग है क्या? वहाँ पे bathroom है क्या? वहाँ पे store room है? So we have to check what are the elements in your southeast that are causing this issue. If your money reality hasn't changed, there's some issue somewhere. What happened? He's running away from my cat. Can you imagine a 16-year-old boy running away from his cat? Okay, so if your money reality hasn't changed, we have to go deeper, one level deeper. Then again it doesn't change, one level deeper. Then we look at poverty consciousness, one level deeper. There's always a reason why money is not changing for you. Go. She's like his divana, you know, this cat of mine. She's Shian's divana. If he comes into my room, then she'll start doing her cuckoo over there. Reshma, does color that you wear affect us? Yes, color plays a very important role, and I prefer to do colors, like I prefer to go with the science of what color to wear according to the element chart. I don't follow numerology for that. और मैं डरती नहीं हूँ बोलने के लिए. पता है numerology में for every person black and red is unlucky. ये क्या बात हुई? Like red is actually my money element. Fire is my money element. So red is my money element. My car is red in color. But so I don't follow the numerology part. I follow the element chart. Okay, so I'm looking for a person who's a top fan because now I'm going to do the element chart for some person. So I'm only looking for a top fan, guys. I'm just smiling reading at the comments. Yeah, so cute some people are. Kitna cute है some people's. Okay. Looking top fan. Guys, if you know if you're a top fan, quickly send me a message now. Okay, then I'll take your reading now. So I'm scrolling to the bottom. But एक feeling भी हो रहा है कि चलो देखो. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कौन है यहाँ पे टॉप फैन. Okay, so someone asked me for name correction on this thing. Guys, I don't do name corrections frivolously. I only do it when you call my office. So you can call my office 9900120034. Anchal Tanani says, how do I attract you? I can't think of anything. Anchal, you already got my attention by sending that question. Send me your date of birth, darling. Let me look at it. Okay, I'm looking for a top fan and I'm not able to find one. Okay, I'm scrolling right to the bottom. Baapre, itne messages aa gaye. My washroom is in southeast, but I've kept money plant there and it has helped a little. Yeah, but the bathroom is the problem there, darling. It's going to drain away your wealth luck. Like, such mein drain away all your money. You can't have a washroom there. That needs to be corrected. So you need to get your house plan and get one of our feng shui consultants to fix it for you. ठीक है? Yay! Shalini Mankatala. I'm going to do your element chart. You're a top fan and a sharer. 4th Jan. Maza aa jayega. Okay, so element chart for Shalini. Okay, 4th Jan. Guys who are wondering why am I not a top fan? You have to be a top fan. For that you need to like the page, and I don't know what makes you a top fan on my page. Okay, Shalini, you can share your secrets with the rest. और यहाँ पे कितने लोग आ गए जो क्वेश्चन पे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, बट दे आर नॉट इवन शेयरर्स. इफ यू आर नॉट अ शेयरर, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक योर क्वेश्चन. यू नो, मुझे जूते पड़ेंगे शेयरर से. ऑलरेडी मुझे इतने, मतलब पीपल कीप सेंडिंग मैसेजेस. माई पुअर स्टाफ हैज टू लिसन टू ऑल दिस एंड सी ऑल दिस. सो गाइज, बी काइंड टू देम. And a lot of people are asking me मेरे career का क्या, मेरे इसका क्या, मेरे उसका क्या. So guys, if you want to ask those questions, those are tarot related questions. And I said this in the last video. I don't know if everyone was there. I told you guys in the last video, I got a reading done from Janki. I got a reading done from Ekta. You won't believe. Like I said, right? Day before yesterday was my reading with Janki. So amazing, phenomenal. Like, what a SWOT analysis she did on a confused mind and on a confused brain. And I can be very confused when I'm confused. Okay? Like, अगर मुझे confusion आ गया ना तो बहुत problem हो जाता है. So Shalini, I'm doing your element reading right now. So you have 1, 2. So metal is fine. Water. Too much water. Okay, and then you have earth and your fire. So you have wood missing. So your self element is metal and your wealth element is wood. All right. So I would suggest you wear wood because you have in your chart, your wood is non-existent. So for you to attract wealth in your life, Shalini, you have to wear wood. Wear a Rudraksh, just a regular Panchmukhi, cheapest 5 rupees wala Rudraksh. I actually don't believe in Rudraksh. Like, I spent lakhs of rupees on Rudraksh. I do a lot of R&D before I start advising things to people. So Rudraksh, I never saw it work. I did a lot of R&D. I spent a lot of money properly. Like, I went to a proper brand who sold the best Rudraksh, did the Pran Pratishta, and it doesn't work. So, you know, I mean, just get like a simple, sasta Panchmukhi wala जो मिलता है. They can't make fake ones because they're too cheap. वो 5 रुपए का ही मिलता है, तो fake बनाने में बहुत मेहनत लगेगा और बहुत पैसे लगेंगे. So get just a Rudraksh, wear it, and or you can wear like a wooden bead bracelet or wear it in your ankles, but you need to wear a lot of wood. So you need wood. सब जगह में एक wooden box लेके घूमो. So even your keychain should be a wooden keychain. You get these really tacky wooden alphabet वाले keychain, please carry that with you. ठीक है? So your money element and your missing element both are wood, and you really need to compensate for that. Earth, fire, water, wood, metal. Yeah. And you can also wear metal. Metal is good for you, but wood is even better. And if you ever got into any business, if you got into something related to wood, it will bring you a ton of money. And I always advise that to people. Like, when we do an element report for you, we also tell you about what business or what industry you can get into. I'm always endorsing this frozen bottle now. But then I also have, okay, this both are frozen bottle. I have other bottles as well. I hope that helped, Shalini. Mm-mm-mm. Any more top fan and sharers? Top fan and sharers. Reena says, thank you for replying. I love you. I've been messaging in all the sessions. Okay, Anisha says, what all can we do from your office? So I have over 10 practitioners doing different things, from fingerprint analysis to a program for your brain for children, and we have Bakfla therapy for emotional problems. देखो मैंने मच्छर ऐसे I finally killed it. So Bakfla therapy for emotional issues. So if a person is going through, like, see, Bakfla really works on your personality and works on your emotions, works on your mind, works on the person as such, mind, body, not body, mind, emotions, and on the personality. So some people are very kitch, some people are very, they have OCD of cleaning too much, OCD of fixing things, they are perfectionists. Some people are very docile, some people are doormats. All of this is treated in Bakfla. Bakfla is amazing. We do feng shui and vastu. We do extraction, we do chakra healing, we do fifth dimensional healing. We have a session called rewiring your brain. There's obviously tarot card reading. There is dowsing, all of that, so many things. Simi says, you have such a strong energy and aura. I'm a bit like you, but society doesn't accept it. भाड़ में जाए society, Simi. भाड़ में जाए society. सच में सबको बोलो जाकर भाड़ में जाए. See, you know what? It's if you have a judgment about yourself, if you judge yourself, you are not okay with yourself, you're gonna have a problem because society doesn't accept it. क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? आपको क्यों अप्रूवल चाहिए किसी से? हमें क्यों अप्रूवल की जरूरत होती है for anything? Why are you living in that apologetic state? Just be yourself. It doesn't matter. The world will figure it out. मुझे कितने लोग बोलते हैं, like even society didn't accept me in the beginning. आपको लगता है कि मुझे ऐसे थाली लेके मेरी पूजा की सब लोगों ने, उन्होंने बोला साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम है. मतलब कैन यू इमेजिन हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव सेड इसको ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, मतलब इसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. बट people can't handle people who are being themselves. This whole world has been about wearing your mask. आप अपना मास्क लेके, वो मनी हाइस्ट में वो मास्क है ना, आपका मास्क दूसरा होता है और आप अंदर दूसरे होते हो, एंड सबका यही हाल है. बट एवरीवन शोज सच अ फॉल्स लाइफ एंड अ फॉल्स फेस ऑन फेसबुक, ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. कितना प्रेशर है अंदर, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट दैट. देयर इज सो मच ऑफ अ प्रेशर टू शो अप इन अ सर्टन वे. And I've always just believed in one thing. It takes far less energy to just be yourself. You are magic when you are yourself. When you're trying to be like someone else, you're not magic. So if society doesn't accept you, even I was like, I had people calling me a bummer because I did weird things like meditation when I was really young, healing when I was really young. I mean, and then I went into art school. So people thought I had a psychological problem. Those same people now come and consult me. So, who's having the last laugh? Me. Just follow your heart, follow yourself. भाड़ में जाने दो लोगों को, भाड़ में जाओ. That's all. Just say that. Just chant it like a mantra. भाड़ में जाओ. Okay, someone says, do we have connections with past life? Let Facebook tag me or not, but I'm surely a top fan. Oh my god, I'm so flattered. Like, you just made my day, guys. How to get rid of someone who I think have a bad karmic account? Throw them out of your life. भाड़ में जाओ. Okay, I'm looking at the next person. Shivani said, I love the way you interact. Super attractive, very convincing. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I'm looking for the next person who's a top fan. And all of you who are asking me for my name, for your name analysis, if you're not a sharer, I'm not looking at you. And I get to pick very few people, alright? So if I'm not picking you, you can call my office and get a name correction or name analysis done. Okay. Reshma says, ma'am, Vastu and Feng Shui differ in the teaching. Yes, they both are different, so I marry the two. Because I like some things about Feng Shui and I like a lot of things about Vastu as well. So, Priyanka says, how did you get into it? It was my life calling, darling. I just felt like, you know, the first thing I learned was healing, and then there was no turning back. Okay, called you number of times but no response. Okay, Vikram Bian, you need to call the office if you want to get a consult done. Sorry, I don't receive calls because nahi to mera phone will never stop ringing. What are these elements? Will they help me reach my goals? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Because sometimes there are other issues that are influencing a person's life. It does not have to be the only thing. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bottom of the comments. There were just too many. Okay. I love these comments. Okay. The next person is okay. Yes, guys, if you call the office, people are asking me, is there a fee to it? Yes, we do take a fee for whatever work we do. We don't have poverty consciousness. Sheila does not have poverty consciousness. So, you know, when you call my office, there is a fee to whatever service you get done. Tarot, numerology, jo bhi hai, analysis, everything. Anita Singh had 26 years of an abusive marriage, and then last year it was bhaad mein jao. Awesome! Like, everyone, can we clap for her? Is there a way of clapping for her? Good for you. I'm really happy for you, and I'm so proud that people like this still exist. Sakshi, we don't do past life regressions, we do past life readings. Regression is actually taking you back into that thing. You'll get mentally messed up, and then I don't want to fix it. So we don't have past life regression therapists, okay? We do past life reading where we try to tell you what your life lesson is for this time. Those readings are done only by our tarot card readers. Only by 3 of them. I don't do it. Ekta, Janki and Riya. I don't read tarot anymore. And I'm very happy not reading. Like, you know, sometimes when they come to discuss something where they're stuck with a case, and I'm just looking at them with that sada hua muh because mujhe sunna nahi hai, mujhe fix nahi karna hai. But I tell them, yeah, if you're stuck with a problem, come and ask me. But yeah. But I'm just done with tarot. Okay, I'm not getting any more top fans. Yeah, there's no top fans here. So guys, please like the page. If you want to be a top fan, if you want your money element reading, top fan and a sharer. Okay. Seriously, your bhaad mein jao mantra takes me out of depression very fast. Love you. Yes, bhaad mein jao is really a very, very strong mantra. Please start practicing it. काफी लोगों को भाड़ में जाओ बोलो, and then you'll start finding that really, you know what, I don't need approval from anyone else. Okay, Isha Shah says, can you tell me about cinnamon stick? Please go back to the video and look at it. Someone says clapping. Okay, I still can't do bhaad mein jao. Okay, you won't do bhaad mein jao till you can, and then when you can, you will. Okay, the next person that I'm gonna take for a name analysis is Reshma Midha Chopra. Okay, hold on. This is you. And this is the last person I'm taking for today because it's super late, guys. What is the time? 1:30. So I'm gonna go after this. Reshma Midha Chopra. Reshma is an avid viewer. She's always there on every live stream. So I'm doing your and you're also a sharer. So 23rd, no, that's him. 23rd Jan. First of all, his date of birth is awesome. 1972, but he is a number 7 as well. So he's ruled by Ketu. Definitely needs a name correction, but I'm going to look at his name now. Atul Chopra. Oh my god, his name is horribly malefic. Horribly malefic. Reshma, he definitely needs a correction. Definitely, like ICU case. But his birth number is very strong. He's a number 5. Very individualistic, a little stubborn, and a little like strong-headed. Number 5s are like that. You know, if you ever want to be like, you know, equal with a number 5, you can never find equality. They'll always try to be one up on you. Number 5 people are very dominating. Okay, let me see if I have any other questions that I want to take, but I'm done with doing name analysis. Unpinned. Sorry Reshma, you're not a top fan, so I can't do your money element reading. Any other top fans here? I'd feel really bad if... Okay, Yogita Sharma, you're not... You took my reading but didn't mention if I need to carry anything with me to improve my money element. Guys, I will only do your money element reading if you're a top fan and a sharer. Alright? If any of you need to get your money element reading, you can just call the office, get it done from Ekta, Janki or Riya or myself. And you get a sheet of paper in which all your stuff is written down. So we will give you what your self element is, so which means what you need to wear or carry with you to make your self element strong. Then we tell you what your money element is. We also tell you any missing element of yours. And then we tell you probably which years does what in your life. If there's nothing significant, we don't have anything much to tell you. But if there's a certain period that is going to bring you a lot of money, we tell you that. And then we tell you what element to tone down. Like suppose I tell you don't wear metal or don't invest in land. Sometimes we'll also tell you what industry to invest in. So what will bring you money. Like for me, it's fire. So if I ever want to make tons of money and I want to put my money into something, a venture, I should put it into a restaurant. Because, you know, that's the only industry, or rather like smelting or whatever. I'm also, like, see, metal is also another very lucky element for me. So my business in Africa deals with 2 metals. So metal element is also very lucky for me. So. Okay, so that was it for today, guys. If I couldn't take your name analysis, then just call my office. Call 9900120034. And for people who are wondering that मुझे अपने life के बारे में पूछना है, then you need Shalini Mankatala, my husband. I already did your reading, Shalini. So I can't do 2 readings for the same person. Sorry. So, so if you want to get your tarot read, if you have a question, yes, Anchal Tanani, I will take up your question. Send me your date of birth quickly. I did say that I'm going to do your date of birth thing. Please send it quickly, like super fast. So people who have top fans since Facebook refuses to give it. No, Facebook will give you top fan. So many people here have a top fan badge. This is the way to get it. I don't know what it is. I think you need to like keep sharing other videos or something like that. And you need to have liked the page. If you haven't liked the page, you're unlikely to get a top fan badge. So a lot of times people have questions about tarot, like career, what choice to make, what this to do, what that to do. Like I said, I got a reading from Janki and Ekta, and both of them, they did not discuss the reading, and both of them said the exact same thing. Like one elaborated on one aspect more, the other one on a different aspect. But they are just, I mean, I was actually a little blown off because I have never got a good tarot card reading. Yeah, such me in life, like a colleague also will be shivering when they do a tarot card reading for me. So it's really sad because when I want guidance, I should not be telling the person that I know tarot, and that's very tricky. It's very tough not to, like, if for someone not to know that I do tarot, right? मतलब मेरा मुखड़ा देके उनको पता चल जाता है. नाम पूछेंगे, डेट ऑफ बर्थ पूछेंगे, मतलब शीला पूरा नाम पूछेंगे, what's your full name? Gone. It's a giveaway. I can't lie. Like you can't lie in a tarot card reading. And you have to be very candid. You have to be very open. You have to be receptive. You know, also a reason why my reading was so awesome was because I was just invoking, praying and being receptive. And for all the people who ever want a reading done, you know, just be really, really, really receptive. Your receptivity will make you receive more. It doesn't have to do with the reader. When you are receptive, when you invoke your higher beings, your angels, whoever your guide is, your reading will be phenomenal. So get a tarot card reading from Ekta, Janki or Riya. All three of them, like I said, are cream of my lot. Okay, they are really, really awesome. And you know, Janki and Ekta did a phenomenal reading. I'm yet to get a reading done from Riya for this issue and for this confusion. But I feel like I already got my answer, but I'm still gonna like just get a reading from Riya. She still doesn't know what the question was. Nupur says, can I get a reading done from you and not any one of your office team? I used to come to your meditation meetup. Nupur, I can't remember you in 2010. Why can't I remember you? Because that time, like 2010 May, I would remember everyone. Pata nahi. Janki says it was an honor to read for you. But Nupur, I stopped reading. Like my readings are really bakwas now. You'd just be wasting your money, and I charge for my time, so I'm not going to refund that money to you. Sorry. So I would suggest get a reading done from Janki, Ekta or Riya. They are really good. Like I have just given it up. Like, you know, I don't connect with it anymore. Seriously. And the only reason I could give it up is because I could kind of hand over my legacy and that power and that potency to these three. So Nupur, really, even if VJ gives you an appointment, like I'll still get people in the past who got a reading with me. They're like, no, Sheila. I promise you, you'll have a bakwas reading, and then, you know, I'll spoil my name. Yeah, I don't want to do that. So I don't read anymore. I do readings on live video. You know why? Because it's one question. So all the people, they're saying I'm a very receptive person. Awesome. If you're receptive, good for you. If you're receptive, you'll get an awesome reading. If you're not receptive, your reading will be bakwas. And if you're skeptic, waste of money. If you're skeptic, I'm going to tell you, please don't waste your time and money and do not get a reading done. I'm telling you, Aaj Abhi, that if you're skeptic or if you have doubts or if you're going there to test your tarot card readers, not just my tarot card readers, anyone, you're just wasting your money. Okay? Okay guys, good night, and thank you all for being on this live video. If you have any questions about you know, your money element, or you have any, you want to know more about your money element, you can get an element reading done. Just call my office 9900120034. However, I always suggest people to get a name correction done first. You can also avail for a name correction with an element reading report together. Alright, that's the best thing to do. And avoid getting a phone consult with me, because you anyway see me on live videos. Alright, what you get in a name report is like, you know, you're spending 50% of the cost. So I always advise people, go directly and get a name correction report. You're getting the exact same report than when you do a phone consult. Alright, and Shalini says Facebook is going to block me. No darling, they won't block you. And yes, Yogita, I am very honest, and that's why people trust me like blindly, aankh band karke trust karte hain. Because if a person doesn't need a numerology reading, I tell them you don't need numerology. And if a person, there are so many people who have come to me, like they've sat in front of me, you know, during a tarot card reading, and I told them you don't need a reading, like, you know, and I give them a refund because I felt that they don't need a reading. So a lot of times, you know, and sometimes I'm not in my element to read. I don't do it. Sometimes I would have scheduled a numerology session, but that moment I am not getting that thing. Okay, Anchal Tanani, you have not sent me your date of birth, darling. Please send it to me right now. मैं अभी भी करने को तैयार हूँ. What should I answer you? I'm not doing tarot card reading. I'm doing name analysis. Okay, let me analyze your name anyway. Yeah, I know. It's very late. Shian is here, my elder son. Today he did a really cool dance move. Like something really amazing. Shian dances really, really well. Shian dances like a dream. Shian is my elder son. I know. I want to also end it. Hold on. There's this one person I promised. Anchal, I don't know your date of birth. Tanani. T-A-N-N-A-N-I. Your name seems fine, Anchal. Fine. Let's check your date of birth. Okay, 9th December 1972. 9th December 1972. Okay, you're a 9 and 4, so which means you're an opposite of me. You're like a mirror image of me. Okay, so looking at your name without looking at your date of birth, your name seemed fine, but looking at your date of birth seems like your name needs a correction. Now, I wouldn't say your name is an ICU case like the rest of the people. You can manage without a name correction. Like even if you never got a name correction, it's fine. But since you're a 9 and 4, I advise you very strongly to get a name correction so that your energy is strong to combat your Kich Rahu and the stupid Mars, Mangal, which always causes people too many life lessons, learning lessons and all that jazz. So I'm going to suggest a name correction, Anchal, for you. Alright? Okay guys, it's too late. Now I want to sleep and I want to, Anchal Tanani, sorry guys, Anchal, it is not for people who are sharers, only for sharers and top fans. So guys, if you want to be a top fan, figure out from Facebook, I don't know, Google it up, figure out how to be a top fan. If you're a top fan and a sharer, the next time I do a live video, I promise to do your money element. And for those of you who want to get it done anyway, we give you like a little more detail, like I told you, the whole list. Go call my office 9900120034 and you can get your money element reading done. Alright, and I do it myself. You can also get it done by Janki, Ekta or Riya, but I do the money element reading also, and I do it with numerology. Sometimes people just want it without numerology, that's fine too. Alright, good night, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.